Hey, Ruben, what's up? Well, good morning. It is 7:48. Big snow last night. 7, 8, 5, 6, many inches of snow. School was canceled today. It's also, there was the potential for freezing rain. I don't think we had that, but wow, look at this snow cover. Hanging on all the trees.
Can we make snow ice cream?
Can we make snow ice cream? Sure. Perfect snow for it.
Yeah.
Look at the snow hanging on the tree here. It's kind of pretty. On a typical school day, come on, we got to get ready for school. We're running late for school. We got to get ready. We got to get dressed. We got to eat our breakfast. On a snow day, he's outside at 7:30 in the morning. Fully dressed, multiple layers, with no help or encouragement from parents. Ain't that the way? Well, it's a couple days later. Lots of snow. Still kind of hard getting around. Of course, my pickup, 2-wheel drive, forget it. It's just staying in the garage. Just getting around by foot or by tractor. But it's the calm before the storm, after the storm. Tomorrow afternoon, rain, freezing rain, more snow? It's going to be a lot of stuff coming this way. And I mean, if you look at the roof of the barn, roof of the garage there, roof of the old riding arena, lots of heavy snow. You throw ice on top of that, I mean, good golly. It's just not looking good. And the trees still have a fair amount of snow on them. If we get over there by the road, lots of snow hanging on the trees. So if we get ice on top of all of that, it's just going to be trees snapping, branches snapping, power going out. It's going to be a mess. Big mess. So what can you do? So I'm going to check the hay for this group of cattle. The other group was just fed earlier, so they're doing okay for now. If this group can get through tonight, then I'll wait till tomorrow to bring them hay. Because it's not till later tomorrow afternoon that the freezing rain and rain, etc. comes in. Yeah, they got some out there. You guys got some here. Not bad. I think we'll wait till tomorrow. It's like, I think they said 45-mile-an-hour winds today, or something like that. Yeah, move to a farm. Your life will have more meaning. I am such a jerk. So I'm going to dump some straw out into the barn lot and carry it over to the shed where the cattle can get out of this wind. Give them just a little bit of bedding. Oh, it just feels so much better here in the barn. All right, let me see if I can remember this. This is Thursday, so at some point last week, maybe before last week, we got a couple inches of snow, something like that, I think. Then last Friday, we got a big snow. I don't remember, 5 to 7 inches. School was closed, and that's not very common around here. School was closed that day, lots of snow. The roads were damn near impossible to get down. And then things kind of were pretty calm Saturday. Still a lot of snow everywhere, but things were pretty calm Saturday, pretty calm Sunday. Monday, there was school. Monday was pretty calm. Monday night going into Tuesday, rain, sleet, snow, the whole 9 yards. So then school was closed on Tuesday. Yeah, then the road out there, all the roads were just icy and horrible. Then the road out here was and still is just a sheet of ice. Wednesday, though, school was open. Still tough to get around, but managed. Takes us to Wednesday night, and I don't know if we got much snow last night, but the anticipation was for today. On top of the snow we already had, on top of the ice, then I believe 3 to 4 inches of snow, and then the wind. I mean, we're talking up to 50 miles an hour. The whole state is going through something statewide. Big snowfalls, ice storms. I recently, just a little bit ago, got an alert on my phone saying travel. They're just don't travel in South Dakota. Just don't. Wherever it is, don't go there. So, that leads us to this week, which has been focusing on keeping the cattle happy and comfortable and well fed. And then that takes us to today, super high winds. Bed these cattle out here. Yeah, that's where we're at. That's what's going on. Okay. Out into that wind and carry the bales over to the shed. Hey boys, what's up? Mind if I take this? Go this way. Hey, Clarabelle, how are you? You guys are doing a better job of spreading it than I am. You're supposed to lay on it, not eat it. Do whatever you want to do. Alright, so the cattle are fed. The main herd has feed and bedding and a good place to get out of the wind. This herd over here, feed, bedding, good place to get out of the wind. In the spring or summer, to go from the house to the barn, throw down some straw, come out, you can do it just in no time at all. But this time of year, this particular day, the wind, the snow, the layers, I mean, it's a very involved process just to walk to the barn. Hey. When I was giving the overview of the weather this past week, I failed to mention that looking ahead, from this point forward, at least through next week, maybe even longer, temperature plummets. We're talking. I think there was a day next week where the high is going to be like around -6. Yeah. That's where we're at now. And all the blowing, you can't see it, all the blowing snow. It's gotten worse since I've been out here. All right, it's gonna be dark in about an hour, I guess. What is that noise? Goodness gracious. Okay. Ah.